How to open Canva design to Word document. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can open your Canva design as a Word document. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step is you'll need to find what you want to download. So let's say that I want to download this simple resume. So open up the file that you want to download, and here unfortunately there is no direct way you can download your Canva as a Word design. So what you'll need to do is tap on the share option on the top right. There you can see download option. Tap on download, and from here you'll need to select PDF. So there are different options. Select PDF and then tap on download. After you tap on download, the download should begin. There you can see completed. Open up the file here, and right here what you'll have to do is right click on the downloaded PDF and select open with, and here you'll need to choose another app, and from here you'll need to select Microsoft Word. There we go. You can open up the Word and just wait for a bit.